Hello, welcome to our Math and Science Fair here in Doña Mercedes Community Learning Center, Alternative Learning System. So karutak na our judges, Ma'am Marilyn and Ma'am Jeremy, are evaluating the output of our learners. Volcanic eruption. O, saan natin na ilang mga vulkan, o? Mo na ilahang mga output gikan sa ato ang bridging class. O, di ba? Makita na to. Nagkadaiya ang dagway sa ilang mga vulkan. Nay vulkan na upaw. Wala tanom, o? No? Nay vulkan nga nagpula-pula. Kani, sponsored by Sukang Puti. Then, vulkan nga mala chocolate, mas dark chocolate, light chocolate. O, dahil vulkan nga
black chocolate.
Puno pa kayo, murag kaning vulkana ni kay tagsara ning buto ba kay green pa kayo ang palibot. Ana, so mo na ang output sa to mga learners. Gikan sa ilahang bridging class here in Doña Mercedes Community Learning Center. So, kani siya na mga output nagtimaan or manifesting that they have their activities na adjud sila ginatrabaho, nagatuon jud sila with regard ug naadyoy kalabutan sa ilahang pag-eskwela. So mao na siya, no? So sa mga gusto mo pa-enroll diha, do not hesitate to visit our community learning center here in Doña Mercedes Community Learning Center. Nara siya, guys. Ana.
O, naapay na ulit. Pag once gani unta, mag-national anthem ta, makadungog ta na, mas hindi ta enter, showing our gratitude. Dapat mag-ready standing na punta ha. Hindi na mapadayo sa ibate. Okay? Kung asa man mo maadto mga learners ha, pag-once niya makadungog mo sa atong national anthem, okay? Hindi po naman, kung namin sa itong sa kalsada, padaprin mo, and you will stand straight. Okay? Okay, so too much for that. Mag-disiplinado because the Bawanyo is a disiplinado. Okay, naakanan ko sa disiplinado dire. Okay, so before we're done with our national anthems, let's hear and open a remark from one
Albert Einstein.
Century. He is well known for the theory of relativity.
The show is about to start. You have to show a look, have a look, or give a look.
Hello. Good day, everyone. My name is Maria Tirtoges, and I'm a scientist and also known as Sun Queen because of my innovation and my work promoting solar energy. Since high school, I have been interested of solar energy. Actually, I have many inventions during my time, but my most popular invention during in World War II in 1948 is what we call a solar distillation device. And this is the solar distillation device, and this is also known as solar steel. This device was purified seawater using solar energy, making it safe for young pilots to drink. The device was also part of military emergency medical kit during the war and saved many lives. Did you all imagine, everyone? I'm not part of military. I'm not a young pilot, but I saved many lives during that war. That's why it's so awesome, huh? And did you all imagine? During that war in 1948, I am almost 48 years old, but still now I have a younger face. That's all, thank you. I hope you enjoy my performance. Thank you, everyone.
I need everyone is paid.
Hi, I'm Mary J. Gakuma, aka Marie Curie, who invented the mobile X-ray unit used in World War I and discovered the radioactive elements polonium and radium. One never noticed what has been done. One can only see what remains to be done. That's all, thank you.
Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein ba? Okay, sorry, good. Okay, so first we have Ian Batilis, aka Albert Einstein. Second, we have Marion Ortega, aka Maria Hildes. Awardan of most popular scientist. Kung kisa itong daghan kayong heart, so we're going to give them an award that most loved scientist. Okay? So, already, what time did na nagkatong sa time, teachers? Isa itong time nagkatong sa itong time? Usang mga oras?
First, put baking soda.
At this time, learners are making or putting some chemical para mag-erupt yung volcano. Ang ginamit nila ay baking soda. Wala na, nanggawas na ang sulfur sa bulkan. The ashes are now gone.
Second, put vinegar and food coloring.
Perfect!
A volcano eruption experiment demonstrates a chemical reaction between vinegar and baking soda that simulates an erupting volcano.
Okay, everybody clap your hands.
Now, this is a group 2. Actually, mo ni una yung may tabo sa bulkan, magbugas siya og ashes. So, kailangan diri ang N95 na mask.
Okay, first is the baking soda.
Kaya manggawas na ang mga sulfuric acid.
So, this experiment is a low-cost experiment. This experiment created by our creative students, from our creative students. Usa, suka.
Ang mata, uy, ang mata.
Kabasi buma kanang kuana ron. Baking soda daw ay niya iduga.
Unsa na lang gigamit di ay?
Dapat nagpapig suka.
Suka ang dato. Kani daw sobra sa group 1.
Kaning ilang bulkan taal ni mag-igat-igat. Dili mo buto.
Ala, sige. Dagan suka pagtidahan. Usa niyo gibutan dira.
Hoy! Ayaw! It's danger!
It's dangerous.
Hindi siya buhi ang bulkan.
Dagan yung suka.
Ating hukasan mo sa
Baking soda. Kasi hukasan yung baking soda.
Hukasan yung baking soda.
Usa ka na kayo na ibutang dira nga kirang buti. Ito ko kayo?
Ay, wa siya kasaka.
Ito kasaka.
Ay! Oh, nanggawas na inyong kuan o, nasa ubos ni Buto, si babaw.
So, delayed.
Delayed. Na, tanawa, nasa ubos.
Ibutang dira ali sa ilalo.
Awa. Naibuslot.
Ay, dito sa ilalo nga. Donya Mercedes CLC.
Okay, mao na ni ang atong group 3 na niya.
Group 3.
Group 3.
Okay.
Urot ne? Yan, urot ni.
At this point, sulfuric materials being emitted from the volcanic crater. Aning panahon na ang PVOX kay nagmando na, dili mo dool sa 500 meters danger zone. Yellow ang bugi buto niya.
Tama na.
Ang pagbuto sa ilang bulkan gamay ra og damage kay nawala ra dayon ang lava. Way aso.
Group 4. So, kanang mga kanang Chrisan today of baking soda.
Kining panahon na ang mga tauhan sa PVOX nagpatuyok sa bulkan.
Okay? So, katong mga fan, you can
Atong nasaksihan ang pagbuto sa bulkan.
okay, what can you say? It's good. Do you think how many points?
100.
100 points. Okay, so ang nasa danger, inuna nila yung vinegar. Hindi po ito sponsored po. Clarification po, hindi po ito sponsored po.
Nagsanip pwersa si Silver Swan at saka si Joy.
Hindi po ito sponsored ni Joy.
Nagsanip pwersa yung dalawang malalaking kumpanya.
Diba si kasukan sa inyong mama ha, nawala yung panggustato sa inyong balay. Pasangit na nagit mo yung ani. Naingon na ko si teacher ma. Nagkakinahanglan daw na ako, Joy.
Oh, wa na. Kung saan na to, mo na tong timaan sa pagbuto.
Partially. Rated SP3.
Yan. Yan. Dining panahon na ang mga tao palibot kay gina-evacuate na. Kaya ang laban ng panahon na.
The volcano eruption is slow-mo. Naka-slow-mo gid siya.
Nakay panahon na mo bakwit.
Oh, napay panahon na may evacuate ang mga nasa baba.
Sige na. Diba? Naka-slow-mo talaga.
Tanawa, daan pa ko ning ano, wild ilang bulkan, sigbuto kay nangitom na.
Like, you know, nag-expected ko mag-green yung color.
Tama, ma'am na.
So proud of you. Sis, mag-participate lang ko mga babies sa imo, sis. Thank you.
Okay. Dining panahon na
Pero sa imo ka, continuous pagod siya.
Dining panahon na nag-alert nagtaman ang gobyerno kay nagsige pagbuto.
Nagpasige pa rin siya ng buto.
Oh.
Kung wala pa doon siya na-stop.
Ang atong mga judges.
Okay, so that is the last entry for
you gave something in preparation for the next level of your education. And then, I am very happy seeing you all presenting yourself in front and presenting also your outputs. So, maka-proud din kayo siya tanawon na hindi ba kaingon nga, uy, out naman na sila. No. Don't underestimate our ALS learners because our ALS learners are very intelligent, resourceful, and creative. So, for now, and I am also